So the diagram shows a cuboid A, B, C, D, F, G, H, and of course we got a point K. And we're given the following dimensions. We can see that the width of this cuboid is 21. We don't know what the length here is. Let's call it X if we ever need it. And the height is 9. K is the point on EH such that the angle AKB is 68 degrees. So AKB is 68 degrees and the length BK is 16.5. Let's go ahead and just pop that in right now. So if we go from A to K, and then we go from at another line from B to K. So we've got an angle here. So let's get my pen. Angle here of 68 degrees, and we've got a length of BK, which is 16.5. Okay, let's try and keep that in mind. Calculate the size angle BAK. So BAK. So this is not so bad. So we'll go find this angle here. Let's call it theta. So to do this, what do we have? So we've got 21 here, we've got 16.5 here, and we've got two angles. So let's redraw this triangle down here. It's always good to redraw problems. So make it simple, like this or something. So this angle here, the angle we're interested in is theta. We've got a length of 21 here, a length of 16.5, and an angle here of 68. Now we just ask ourselves, what is the best method to use? Well, you can see clearly that you got a length and angle on both opposite ends. So then the only rule to use would be the sine rule. So sine rule. So this means, and the sine rule tells us that the formula is always a over sine A equals b over sine b, or upside down. So it's the ratio of the weights. So it's going to be therefore sine theta over 16.5 over its corresponding length equals sine 68 over its corresponding length, which is 21. Sorry guys, I'm just getting a bit tired. That's why I might sound a bit dead. And then to do this, you just multiply 16.5 across. So it'll be sine theta equals sine 68 over 21 times 16.5. And whatever you do, calculate this and just literally sine inverse this in the calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's have a look. Sine 68 over 21 times 16.5. So I got some answers, 0.72, and then sine inverse that. You have 46.8 degrees.